everything in my life. I quit Uber. One car I damaged, price $103,500. Fuck, I gotta run. I made $400, 32 miles, hour and a half. I don't want you to go in this business. 2020 started not good for me. I was driving Uber, and then that COVID hits, and in my area was not a lot of activities that I could drive and support myself. I stayed without a job for a little time, and I decided to start hauling cars, and that changed everything in this year and changed everything in my life. I decided to start the YouTube channel. One of the big reasons I love my job, because at least once a week I am picking up and delivering super cool cars. Most of the time, of course, it's just regular cars, but sometimes it's super cool. I'm picking up BMW M5, and this is the digital key for that. I believe BMW trying to get to these keys, switch to them, and by the time I going to deliver the car, another dealership will program that key, and probably the new customer will use this key only. Hope it's cool. New technology is coming to our life everywhere, and I think that Tesla has this kind of key, and it's super cool. Pretty soon every car will have that key. I like that. Alright, I have to put these extensions to be able to safely get on the trailer. These extensions are always helping me, and I'm not scratching the bottom of the car and the front bumper. Also want to see how much the manufacturing suggested retail price, $103,500, but it's included, everything included here, and the total price is $125. It's so crazy. Cool. Since May 2020, I picked up 479 cars and safely delivered 478. Yes, it was one car I not destroyed, but I damaged a little bit, and I'm not considered safely delivery. So it was my third week after driving 2 weeks by myself. After training, I started feeling like I know everything, and of course I did that mistake, and after that I'm thinking I don't know nothing. I just every time I load a car, every time I'm driving on the road with the trailer, I consider myself as a rookie. it to the person who is taking it at the dealership. This is the key. Alright, he's got a new home. I did my job. Hello. Got a lunch for myself. The food on truck stop, sometimes it's not good, sometimes it's very nice. So, and I gotta take a lunch for myself and for my dog. So it's interesting life. I enjoy being on the road, cover a lot of miles, being in different states the same day, meeting a lot of different people, and I like it. Fuck, I gotta run. 5 minutes till auction is closed. I gotta get it. I gotta get the car. Minneapolis, Minnesota. I dropped 3 cars. Now I'm at the auto auction on the Manheim, picking up 2 cars. I have to deliver it to Minnesota Carvana inspection center or some, I don't know. It's 32 miles driving. They paying $400. It's $12.5 per mile. I never had that kind of load. I know for sure that it's possible only for like local and short runs. I'm going to spend probably maybe hour and a half, load them up, drive and deliver and drop them. I made it. I got it. I got the car, so I'm getting out of the auction. Okay, no, I got it already.
Alright.
Do you
get a sign? Anywhere. Doesn't
okay.
matter where.
Wait 1 second. This signature, this is?
Beautiful. And then I'm going to check to make sure, and then you're good to go.
Alright, thank you. Alright. Got another car. The second one I was looking for. Getting out and gonna do inspection outside. I just have to do it quickly and safely, and I will be happy. I dropped them. So I made $400. 32 miles, hour and a half. Yeah, hour and a half. It was good option for me to change my life to change the situation I found myself at the beginning of this year, but it helps me a lot. And anybody can do what I do, my job. It's not super hard, but I also don't want to confuse you that everybody needs to go there in that business. It's maybe not for everybody. I just appreciate this year how it turned out. A very unusual situation made me to do this, and I'm happy it happened to me. And now I'm super happy to have a YouTube channel to show my life and just create something. Maybe it will be helpful for at least one person, and I will be super excited and happy. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and good luck to everyone.